Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fake, I want you to stay. If you're in the mood.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Saskia Amanda NPN 22,411,113. I am a student at the Indonesian Technocrat University Faculty of Economics and Business from Management, Class 22C. On this occasion I will explain the material about psychological aspects in workforce training and development. Psychological aspects in workforce training and development are essential to creating effective learning experiences, motivating employees, and improving their performance in the long term. Training and development designed with psychological aspects in mind will not only improve technical skills, but also strengthen interpersonal skills, motivation, and psychological well-being of employees. Here are some key psychological aspects to consider in workforce training and development. 1. Motivation in training and development. One of the most important psychological aspects of training is motivation. Motivation is the primary driver that drives employees to actively participate in training programs and to apply what they have learned. There are two types of motivation to understand: intrinsic motivation, motivation that comes from within the individual, such as personal satisfaction or a sense of accomplishment. Training that can trigger curiosity, interest, and a desire for personal growth will be more effective in creating deep and sustainable learning. Example: training that provides space for employees to experiment, ask questions, and find their own solutions can increase intrinsic motivation. Extrinsic motivation, motivation that comes from external factors, such as rewards or recognition from the organization. This includes financial incentives, promotions, or other rewards given as a result of improved performance. Example: a reward program that links achievement in training to bonuses or salary increases can motivate employees to actively participate. Motivation theories in training. Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. According to Maslow, every individual has needs that must be met in sequence, from physiological needs to self-actualization needs. In a training context, programs designed to meet employee needs at each of these levels, such as the need for recognition or personal development, will be more effective. Herzberg's two-factor theory. This theory divides the factors that influence job satisfaction into two categories: motivator factors, which increase job satisfaction, such as recognition or achievement, and hygiene factors, which if not met will lead to dissatisfaction, such as poor working conditions. 2. Emotional intelligence in training. Emotional intelligence, A, is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own and others' emotions. In training, emotional intelligence has a significant impact on the development of interpersonal communication and leadership skills. Self-awareness. Employees who have good self-awareness are more receptive to feedback and assess their strengths and weaknesses objectively. Emotional management. Training that addresses emotional management can help employees deal with stressful or conflict situations in the workplace without damaging relationships or productivity. Empathy. In training, understanding other people's emotions is essential, especially in communication and customer service skills. Examples of the application of emotional intelligence in training. Managerial training that teaches how to manage stress, manage conflict between teams, or provide constructive feedback can improve managerial skills as well as promote more harmonious working relationships. 3. Learning process and application of knowledge. Learning and transfer of learning. To ensure that employees can apply the knowledge and skills acquired during training, it is important to understand the learning process and learning transfer. Cognitive learning theory. According to this theory, well-designed training will involve gradual understanding and application of concepts. Therefore, the use of learning methods that lead to deep understanding and mastery of skills is key. Social learning theory. This theory suggests that people learn by observing and imitating the behavior of others. In a training context, the use of mentors or role models who demonstrate the correct way to perform a task will increase employee understanding and ability. Transfer of learning. Transfer of learning refers to employees' ability to apply what they have learned in their training environment to their daily work. Factors such as managerial support, consistency of training with job tasks, and application in real-world situations can enhance transfer of learning. Example: simulation-based training or case studies that simulate real-world work situations can help employees more easily apply their skills in real-world work. 4. Self-confidence and self-efficacy. Self-confidence and self-efficacy are important factors in training success. Self-efficacy is a person's belief about their ability to succeed at a task or achieve a specific goal. Self-efficacy in training. According to Albert Bandura's self-efficacy theory, people with high levels of self-efficacy are more likely to try harder, persist longer in the face of challenges, and succeed in training. Therefore, training that provides challenges that are manageable but still strengthens the participants' self-confidence will be more effective. Example: providing positive feedback and recognition for small achievements can increase employee self-efficacy during the training process. 5. Collaborative and social learning. Training that leverages social interaction and collaborative learning tends to be more effective because employees learn from each other, share experiences, and develop social skills that are important to their jobs. Social learning refers to the learning process that occurs through observation and interaction with coworkers. Teamwork and social learning. Training programs that involve group discussions, role-playing, or team projects can increase engagement and help employees learn important interpersonal skills. Example: project-based training that allows employees to work together in teams to solve problems or achieve goals can improve their collaboration and communication skills. 6. Learning styles and individual differences. Every individual has a different learning style, which can affect the effectiveness of training. Some employees may prefer to learn through practical experience, learning by doing, while others are more comfortable with a theoretical or visual approach. Learning style theory. For example, the VARK learning style theory identifies 4 primary learning styles: visual, auditory, reading/writing, and kinesthetic. Understanding these learning styles allows companies to design training that meets the needs of a diverse range of learners. Personalized learning approach. To ensure training effectiveness, a learning approach tailored to individual needs and learning styles can be applied. Example: using a combination of visual, auditory, and hands-on materials in training will help employees with different learning styles to optimize their understanding and skills. 7. Stress management and employee well-being. Demanding or high-pressure training can impact employees' psychological well-being, so it is important to consider stress management aspects in training design. Stress management training. Training programs that teach stress management techniques, such as mindfulness or relaxation, can help employees cope with work pressures and improve their well-being. Emotional balance. Training that focuses on developing emotional skills, such as emotional intelligence or emotion regulation, can help employees better deal with challenges or changes in their jobs. 8. Evaluation and feedback. Constructive evaluation and feedback processes are essential in workforce development. Clear, supportive feedback can strengthen participants' understanding of training materials and encourage continuous improvement. Post-training performance evaluation. Feedback provided after training should be in-depth and supportive, not only related to goal achievement, but also to the participants' personal and professional development. Example: competency-based evaluations or goal-based feedback can provide employees with clear direction on areas for improvement. Conclusion: the psychological aspect of workforce training and development is critical to ensuring the success of a training program. Understanding motivation, emotional intelligence, learning processes, and individual differences can help design an effective and comprehensive training program. In addition, attention to psychological well-being, stress management, and in-depth evaluation will ensure that training not only improves technical skills, but also develops employees' personal and social capacities, which in turn improves the overall performance and productivity of the organization.